Hey everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. Today I want to show you guys what you can expect if you pull the carpet up in your XJ. What I'm going to be doing, I hesitate to call it rust repair because it's really just going to be rust removal. On this one, my quarters are already gone, so there will be no cut and fold mod here. Which I had anticipated anyway. It is a Michigan vehicle, 20 years old. What I'm going to do, there's a lot of dirt and stuff in here, and I'm not in a video like vacuuming this out and wire wheeling it and all that crap. I think you guys get the gist. My intention is to come to this body line right here where I still have good metal, that upper line before it curves out, and cut right there and bring it straight across and down once I have all that cleaned out. The floors in this thing are pretty good. You see all this stuff is like inside rust where something was leaking into here. On the other side it's a little trickier because I have the fuel filler right there. I'm not sure how that's going to work. Also, that door doesn't open right at the moment, so that kind of is being a pain in the butt for me. But my basic plan is to cut it up here, all along up here, all the way up to this door line. I'm going to cut the rockers all the way up to the door line completely off. Like, I'm talking about up to here. Cut them off, replace them with 2x6. Same with the front fenders. She'll have plenty of clearance for 265s, and that's as big as I'm going to go. I can probably fit a 285 with no lift with that much cutting, but I'm not going to do that. Some kind of off-road bumper, not a winch bumper. She doesn't need it. She's not going to be winching anybody. Yeah, that's pretty much the plan. I'm probably just going to replace the doors. I'll have to cut them as high as I'm going to cut the rockers out. But they're pretty much gone. So I'm thinking I'll head southwest. I'd like to take a trip to, I don't know, Texas, New Mexico. I mean, it seems like every Cherokee I see is green, so I don't know why this one doesn't close now. There it goes. So it should be easy enough to find 4 green doors for a few $100. Or if somebody out there in viewer land has or knows of a green Cherokee and is willing to take them down to Fastenal and throw them on a pallet for me, let me know in the comments. I'm going to sand up these Rubicon wheels. They got a lot of chipping and flaking and stuff like that on them. I'm going to sand them up and paint them. I'm not going to powder coat them. I'm trying to be all in for this for under $3,000. That's the budget that I set to buy her a vehicle. So if you notice here, they ripped the stock bumper off, probably pulling it out of the mud or something. Those brackets are just sheet metal on XJs. It's pretty cool. I like it. The unibody's solid. The floor's solid for the most part. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go way beyond the typical cut and fold. And we're going to take all that out and replace it. So, well, not replace it, just going to take it out. Doing actual metal work and like restoring this would exceed the value of it, where I can just drive down to Alabama or something and get one for $1,000 that's not rusty. But I enjoy the work, so, and it will be fun. I think it'll make some fun videos. So next time you guys see this thing, it'll be stripped down, or I'll be working on the crank sensor. But I'm not going to bedliner the back of this or anything like that. I'm just going to clean it up, paint it, weld those up. I think the next video I'll show you guys where I'm going to cut it and everything like that. And we'll go from there. So until next time, this is JR. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any ideas. Not LS swap it, not put it on Unimog axles, not put 44s on it. But practical ideas for, you know, a 16-year-old girl's first vehicle. Let me know. And we'll see you next time.